Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter and blower motor on a 2013 Chrysler Town Country. Starting with the cabin air filter, open up the glove box, push in both of these tabs on the side. Now when I do this, I can very easily reach in here and I can remove the filter just like that. If you can't, you can also release this damper here. So just push it back, then I'll allow it to fold down farther. Then remove the cover. And now we have our cabin air filter exposed, and we'll slowly pull it out. And if you have any junk in it like this one does here, make sure you use a shop vac and get all that stuff out of there. Then install your new one and just make sure the arrow is pointing down and reattach the cover. Then reattach the damper and just make sure you get it fully locked in place like that and push the tabs in. Then you're done with the cabin air filter. Moving on to the blower motor, we first need to remove this cover, and there's a push pin up front. And if you don't have one of these trim tools, you can also use a flathead screwdriver or a needle nose pliers. Then we also have two 7mm bolts here in the back. And it looks like there's a Phillips on the end as well, so we'll use that for this one in the back because it is a tight fit. Then remove this cover. And we do have one more push pin, it looks like, on the side over here. And the cover should come out. And now we have access to the blower motor, so we'll first disconnect our plug and just push this part in. That should come straight down. Then we'll remove the 3 T20s. Then before you remove the last one, make sure you support it so it doesn't fall down. And the blower motor should come straight out. Looks like we do have one more clip here to remove as well. Then take your new one and just pay attention to this part here. This must go in the back there because it gets lined up into that groove up there on the housing. So once you got it lined up, insert it in. Then when you feel it snaps in place, then we'll go ahead and tighten up these 3 T20s. Then we'll finish snugging these up. Then reconnect this on the top. Plug in your plug. Make sure you hear it snap in. Then we'll go ahead and reinstall our cover. In order to get this cover installed, because it's hard to see those screw holes in the back, what I typically do is put the bolt through there, and I go up there and I feel it to where I can see that it's going in that hole. So right there I can see that. Then I'll hand tighten it in there, and I'll tighten it just a little bit, and I'll do the same thing on the other side, then I'll snug those up. Alright, so with both of those hand tightened, then we'll go ahead and snug them up. Then reinstall both of these push pins. Then once that's installed, you're done with the blower motor. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please give me that thumbs up. If you're interested in more content like this, please hit that subscribe. But again, I hope this helped you out, and thanks for watching.